Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix eFootball 2025 not launching on PC. Alright, so let's begin. First, try running eFootball 2025 as an administrator. Locate the game, as I don't have that game right now, but these steps are the same you have to follow to fix this issue, as these are 100% working. Once you located the game, right click on it and select properties. Then open the compatibility tab. Now enable run this program in compatibility mode and also check run this program as administrator. After that, click apply and then OK. Launch the game and see if the issue is fixed. If problem is not fixed, move on to the next step. To do this, first open Steam and go to your library. Here select your eFootball game, then click the settings icon and choose properties. In the launch options section, first type -D3D12, then close the window and launch the game. If the game still doesn't start, go back to launch option and replace the launch option with -DX12. Close everything and try launching the game again. If the problem continues, move to the next step, update DirectX. Open your browser and search for DirectX end user runtime. Download and install the latest version from the official Microsoft website. Once the installation is complete, relaunch the game and check if the issue has been resolved. If the game still isn't working, update your graphics driver manually. Type the name of your graphics card software into the Windows search bar and open it. Go to the drivers section and check for any available updates. Install the latest driver and then launch the game again. Next, temporarily disable Windows Security. Open Windows Security. Then go to virus and threat protection. Here, click manage settings and turn off real-time protection. After that, launch the game and check whether the issue is fixed. If the problem persists, verify the game files through Steam. Open Steam, select eFootball and then click properties. After that, go to the installed files section. Then click verify integrity of game files and wait for the process to finish. Once the verification is complete, restart your computer and launch the game again. Hopefully one of these methods solves the problem. And that's it. This is how you can fix eFootball 2025 not launching on PC. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.